Bula everyone! Hey, it's Baron Bruno and Bren Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Look at this gorgeous fairway view of hole number 2 on Denarau Golf Course. We are here, speaking of fairway, in Fairway Palms Precinct, which is where actually Bren and I live as well. Just a few houses away, but look at the beautiful waterways. We are today at a lovely home, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms upstairs, and this great big deck overlooking the golf course. You have a private bure just there, swimming pool gated downstairs also, so if you have kids you can see it's gated up here as well. But let's have a look inside and you can see what I'm talking about. Again, perfect home for kids, tiled throughout, air conditioning, ceiling fans, privacy, windows and screens. Also the built-in wardrobe with vanity mirror and extra storage in the hallway. Bedroom 1 directly out, also bedroom 2, same. Vanity, light ceiling fans, aircon, beautiful, nice polished tile floors. Bedroom 2, now let's go to bedroom 3. This is the bedroom with the ensuite upstairs. There you go, you have a great shower stall here in the ensuite. Also has a little bit extra storage. It has a bigger vanity mirror and desk, so you can do some work if you need to. And then of course, it also opens back out to that beautiful golf course view. So bring your golf clubs and your tennis rackets. The Denarau Golf and Racket Club is very close by, as well as a 24/7 medical center, wine bar, coffee bar, all the Port Denarau shopping, restaurants, retail, everything steps away, and you can use the inner island boat transfers to go to all those Mamanutha, Isawa Islands for the snorkeling and scuba diving, cloud break, all the awesome surfing. We are at the front door entrance. There you go, you have a 2-car carport just there. Beautiful landscaping, nice flowers everywhere. Those plumeria frangipanis, they smell so incredible, and with the breeze coming this way, I can smell it right now. It's so beautiful and tropical. You're gonna love it. All right, now we have a downstairs room, so if you have any mobile impaired or elderly people, or some people prefer to be on the ground level, here you have a bedroom and bathroom downstairs with access just there. And again, the wardrobe, mirror, and extra storage. Okay. Walk with me now. We're going to go to the main room. Look at how big and open this is. Lots of light, great bar counter here. You can put up some bar stools. But speaking of bar, boom, look at that. This is for the parents. Nice bar area to entertain friends. It's all set up. Mini fridge storage for all your mixers and things over there. Of course, you have your granite countertop area here for cooking, 4 gas stovetop burner. And of course, you have a Bosch oven. Bosch, such a great international brand. And again, also here up top on the vent hood, so you know you're getting quality here. Same with that dishwasher. And then here you have laundry room with microwave, utility sink. And check this out also, if you ever do a lot of fishing, a lot of people come out here and do fishing, they can clean the fish and do a lot of that extra work out here, so you have some extra storage. And you can see nice sitting bure there, so you can sit down, read a book, and just relax. All right, so let's go back inside, and before we do, you can see the 2-car carport here, so covered for any inclement weather. Again, another great shot of the entertainment room. And you have a great covered patio as well that wraps around, and you can see it's protected. So if you do have small children, you're concerned about that, this is one of the homes that we have available for rent on Denarau Island that is kid friendly and keeps safety in mind. Nice little water feature, how about that? Just feels so good out here, this tropical breeze. Find out more about this rental home. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us +679 999 2051. We look forward to hearing from you and finding your slice of paradise here in this beautiful country. Have a wonderful day. Look forward to talking to you soon. Wanaka.